Okay, so today we're talking about the element of shape, and just like the element of line, the element of shape has both organic and geometric shapes. A shape is basically where a line intersects itself and creates a shape. So if you're drawing a line, draw one line, and then you draw another line, where they intersect and create a flat area, this is a shape. And this is an organic shape because it's nice and rounded and curved like you would find in nature. A geometric shape is like a square or a rectangle or a triangle. So we're going to create organic bugs, and they're also going to have symmetry. Symmetry is when one side is the same as the other, okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold your paper. I want you to fold your paper in half. So have your paper long ways so that it's longer than it is wide, so like hot dog. And then you're just going to take your paper over, line up the corners, press down in the center, and then out from the center to get a nice fold in your paper, okay? And then what I want you to do is I want you to draw a shape, and we're going to create beetles, and they are lots of different shapes, so yours doesn't have to look exactly like this, but basically what I'm going to do is just like an oval that is a little bit wider on the bottom than it is on the top, just like this. And then what we're going to do is cut it out. So you want to have the folded side down, and you're going to cut on the folded edge, because this way your bug is going to look exactly the same on the left as it does on the right. Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to cut this out, okay, and then on the fold you're going to cut again right along the fold. Okay, and then when you put it down, this is going to be the main part of your beetle. But before you do anything else, what I want you to do is take the edge that you cut, and you're just going to fold a small fold along the cut edge. And it's not going to be very big. It's just it's going to actually be where we're going to glue it down to the page to make our bugs look a little bit three-dimensional. So there's one. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Just going to fold up a lip on my beetle shell, just like that. My paper is brightly colored cardstock. Yours might be construction paper, and it might be a little bit easier to fold than mine is. But when we're done, we're going to glue these down like this, and then they're going to kind of stick up. But we're not doing that yet. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to design our beetle, and we want this, whatever we do on this side is going to be the same on this side, okay? So I'm going to do some different colored paper. Maybe I'll use purple. I'm going to cut it down, and then I'm just going to create some shapes. So just like we did on our first one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold my paper in half, and then I'm going to cut on the folded edge. I'm going to cut like a shape that I want to have on my beetle, and it's going to be nice and curvy. Okay, I think I'm going to make it look a little bit more pointy at the end, so I'm going to put them back together and then just cut the shape that I want. So as you cut your shapes, place them on your beetle, but don't glue them down yet. You're just going to put them in place. Keep cutting out shapes until you're happy with the way it looks, and then you can start gluing down your pieces. The other thing you can do is just put two pieces of paper together and then cut your shape, and it's going to have two of the same shape that you can place on your beetle. So you how to do that. So I'm just going to cut this in half, and I'm going to lay it on top of each other, and then I'm going to cut a shape that I want. Okay, so now we have our bug filled with organic shapes. The next thing I want you to do is I want you to create the bug's head, okay? And his head is just going to be a half of circle. So I want it to be fairly big. That looks good. And then we're going to do some eyes. And eyes are just circles. So what I want you to do is start with a square. Then you're just going to cut. So I have two pieces of squares right on top of each other. And I just want you to cut the corners off. Go around and cut off all four corners of your squares. And it doesn't quite look like a circle yet, so just kind of keep cutting off the corners. Just, it's going to be less and less each time, okay? Don't go too far, and if it's not exactly round, it is not the end of the world. Okay, so that's going to be his eyes, and then we're going to draw the rest of him with white colored pencil. Okay, so let's go ahead and glue, and then we'll come back and glue him onto the main paper. All right, so I'm going to use a piece of scrap paper. And I'm just going to start gluing stuff down. So I'm going to take it from here, turn it over, and then put glue on it. And then I'm going to stick it down where I want it to be. Okay, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And you're just going to keep going until you get all of your pieces glued down. And once you do that, then you're going to be ready to glue the Beetles down onto your main piece of paper. Okay, so I cannot emphasize enough that you guys are going to create your own design. The only rule is that you want to keep all of your shapes organic or curved, okay? Don't do geometric lines on this bug, all right? So let's go ahead and glue down our beetle. So what you're going to do is carefully fold that again, and then very carefully glue just that part, that edge. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to stick it down. And if you want to mark the center of your paper, you can. I think I can do it. You're just going to put it down, and then press along that fold, and it's going to kind of stand up. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Perfect. Now we're going to glue our head on, and then you're going to glue on your eyes. Now your beetle doesn't have to be as complicated as this. You can do a more simple beetle if you want. Okay, and so then you're going to take a Sharpie marker, and you're going to draw the center of his eyes. And last but not least, you're going to use a white colored pencil to draw his antenna. You're going to do one on the left, one on the right. Try to make it look symmetrical, and then you are done. You have a nice balanced beetle. Have fun with this, you guys. This video was created by Sabrina Wingren at A Space to Create Art.